Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Yabona makukhulunywa ngeclub. Yabo iclub yangempela efuna ukusuka ehlathini ibuyele ku-Betway Premiership. So kukhulunywa ngeteam kanje bafethu. Kusuke kukhulunywa ngeCape Town City. Into engixakayo ngeCape Town City lezinto abazenzanga bese ku-Betway Premiership. Labadlali ababathenga manje ababathenganga besadlala ku-Betway Premiership. Angazi indaba bebengabathengi sonke lesikhathi. But mase ucheck iquality yabadlali abanabo right now. Mase ucheck iquality yabadlali abanabo uyabona ukuthi ngempela they are really fighting to get back to the Betway Premiership because right now they just announced ukuthi they signed uZenad Zechimovic. If you remember uZenad Zechimovic, he was a striker playing for ETS Galaxy and he went overseas Mchita wasedlala 6 months khona wasebuya ezosayina with iCape Town City. Right now usayinwe nje iCape Town City Mchita. Yamazi umjito uyistriker sangempela istriker nje lisangempela esilazi igoli noma ungiphikisa mase ubheke equality yale team le bafethu buka nje Prince Chukwueze umjita nyamazi bafethu one of the best youngsters akhona ku Betway Premiership Joey Yashin. Imagine ithi edlala ku FND enabadlali abantsobo kanje. Imagine ithi edlala ku NFD enabadlali abantsobo kanje. Mase siza lapha ama midfielders Emil Boy, Kigen Duli, Shaquille April, Jaden Rhodes. There are many players antswempu kulesa squad se-Cape Town City. There are many players. There are many good players. It's really mind-boggling ukuthi hayibo. These guys, why are they so good at signing good players right now? Because I remember they recently signed ubani uKigen Duli. Yabo now uKigen Duli sasana kufika. Why bebehluleka ukumsayina uKigen Duli besadlala ku-Betway Premiership? Asazi. Yabo ngeke bakutshele futhi bavuka manje ngoba izinto seyibheda yabo because I remember when they started futhi lapha ku-NFD abastathanga kahle bebelezansi belokube struggleish babona ukuthi no man asivuke emaqandeni asayineni abadlali mesifuna ukukhuphuka mase ubheka ama defenders Sifiso Ngobeni, Njabulo Ngcobo, Lorenzo Godino, Tseho Faso Nyama. Look at these players. Siphamandla Dondolo. Look at these players. Sifiso Ngobeni yamkhomba bedlala eSundowns. Unjabulo Ngcobo yamkhomba bedlala eSikhukhune neKaizer Chiefs. Quality baba bayilanda le kuBetway bazoyidlalisa la ku-NFD. Mazothi goalkeeper bakhona bano goalkeeper bapheshe imost yabo goalkeeper bapheshe yabo balande nje ugoalkeeper la umjidi la ngikwazi sho ukupronounce igama lakhe. Mase ubheka kwi-league yakhona kwi-league yabo abakuyona bawu number 4 yabo bana 22 points badlale 14 games base kusu number 1 okuyiMilford ina 27 points idlale 14 games yabo so kuzoba nzinyana for bona ukuthi babuyele kodwa ke mebelwa ngempela I see them coming back ku Betway Premiership yabo ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo lapha ezansi ku-NFD awuvele nje uqualify kalula umudlala ku-NFD kumele wenze sure ukuthi uyalwa ngempela ukuze uqualify.